Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Loki and Promtail for Kubernetes logging step by step clearly. First, ensure you have access to your Kubernetes cluster. Open your terminal and configure your Kubernetes context. If you haven't installed Helm, download and install it from the Helm website. Add the Loki chart repository with the command helm repo add grafana https://grafana.github.io/charts . Update your Helm repositories using Helm repo update. Next, install Loki with Helm by executing helm install Loki grafana/Loki stack. Wait for the installation to complete, which might take a few minutes. Once Loki is up, check the status by running kubectl get pods and default. Now, install Promtail to collect logs by executing helm install Promtail grafana/Loki stack set promtail.enabled equals true. Verify the Promtail installation by running kubectl get pods and default. After all pods are running, create a custom configuration for Promtail. Create a config map and a YAML file specifying the log sources and how to send them to Loki. Apply the config map using kubectl apply your config map file.yaml. Update the Promtail deployment to use the new configuration with the command kubectl edit deployment Promtail. Look for the containers section within the deployment and locate the args. Replace the existing args with a reference to your config map. Save and exit the editor to apply the changes. Restart Promtail to ensure it picks up the new configuration by deleting the pod kubectl delete pod lapp equals Promtail. After Promtail restarts, it will begin collecting logs according to your configuration. To view logs, access Loki using a Grafana dashboard. Install Grafana with the command helm install grafana/grafana. Once Grafana is running, access it by port forwarding kubectl port forward svc/grafana 3000:80. Open your browser and navigate to http://localhost 3000. Log in using the default credentials, usually admin/admin. Add Loki as a data source in Grafana. Now you can create dashboards and visualize your Kubernetes logs using Loki and Promtail. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.